Hi, happy Friday. I'm Mark Moyes with Veritas Funding, and this is Mark's Mortgage Minute. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about renovation. Should you renovate or should you not renovate? There's a really great loan program called the Renovation Loan, and little secret on this program is it's not just for current homeowners. It's a very good program for homeowners that want to finish a basement, redo a kitchen, maybe even do a pool. This is an awesome program. One of the bigger challenges that we have in this current market is for a home buyer, just the lack of inventory. And so what inventory is actually available, sometimes it comes with a little bit of legwork that needs to be done, or otherwise known as a little bit of repairs on the property. So what I would tell you is don't exclude a property just because there's a little bit of work that needs to be done on the property. A lot of buyers will not go out and look at that home simply because they don't necessarily know what their options are for doing the repairs on that property. Well, there's a loan program for that. So it's a program that you can borrow money to purchase the home and then also do the renovation loans. And like I said at the beginning, gosh, if you want to throw in a pool, or there's an outbuilding that you'd like to install, maybe a shed or a second detached garage, this program is awesome for that. So it's the same thing with the home that you currently own. There's a common question that comes up right now is, do we sell the house that we're currently living in and buy something else, or do we remodel or finish our basement? Things like that come up all the time. So this is a great loan program that will allow you to do that. The interest rates are really good on the program, and they'll go up to 99% of the fixed costs, or rather the improvements, I should say. And so it's a really competitive option in today's market, and one way that you can kind of stand out as a buyer going to find a property that maybe has some things that need to be some work done to it. So if you'd like to know more information about this program, please contact me. I'd love to talk with you a little bit about it, just to see if it is an option for you or your friends or family or anybody that you know that's looking to buy or possibly want to do some repairs at your house. Give me a call, 801-999-0886. If you like this video and find it informational, please leave me a comment. Look forward to speaking with you. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day and rest of your weekend.